Two of the most common questions that we get here at LifeWorks are about trigger point injections and hyaluronic acid joint injections. Most people know the feeling of a muscle knot, right? A tight, tender spot that just won't release no matter how much you stretch. That is a myofascial trigger point, a hyper irritable spot within a taut band of fibers that are stuck in a contracted state. Trigger points don't just cause local pain, they refer pain elsewhere. A trigger point in your neck may cause headaches. One in your hip may actually cause some knee pain, or one in your back may mimic pain that's going down in your leg. And when the muscle stays contracted, it loses blood flow and can't heal on its own. A trigger point injection places a small needle directly into that contracted band, disrupting the taut fibers, breaking the pain spasm, and allowing the muscle to release and heal. Now, hyaluronic acid. This is a naturally occurring substance in your joint synovial fluid, the lubricant that cushions your joint surfaces. In an arthritic joint, that concentration decreases over time. The fluid becomes thinner, less effective, leading to an increase in friction, cartilage breakdown, and pain. A hyaluronic acid injection replenishes that fluid directly, restoring natural joint lubrication and reducing inflammation. Over time, what happens is it slows down the breakdown and reduces that pain in that joint. At LifeWorks, both treatments are delivered by our nurse practitioner as part of a coordinated plan with physical therapy, chiropractic, to help restructure your body's mechanics to slow down the degenerative processes. Our goal here at LifeWorks is to get to the root cause, address that, slow the degenerative process down so that your joints last for the rest of your life.